Alright, imagine this. You go from a single idea to a full cinematic video with sound in minutes. No complicated tools, no switching between 10 platforms. Today, I'm testing something that claims to do exactly that. This is Hailuo AI, and honestly, it might be one of the most complete creative platforms out there right now. Most AI tools do one thing well: image generation, or video, or sound. Hailuo is different. It combines top-tier global models into one workflow: image generation, video generation, and sound design, all in one place. So let's actually test it step by step. First, we need a base visual. You can use models like Nano Banana, Midjourney, or Seedream, but the key idea is start strong. Let's try something fun, a comic fight scene. Prompt: a dynamic comic-style fight scene, 2 characters mid-air clash, dramatic perspective, motion lines, high contrast lighting, ultra-detailed cinematic composition. This gives us a powerful starting frame. Now we bring this into Hailuo. Here's where things get interesting. You're not just editing, you're directing. You can refine mood, lighting, and overall cinematic feel instantly. Prompt: enhance cinematic contrast, dramatic shadows, vibrant highlights, comic-style color grading, high-energy atmosphere. Now it already looks like a scene from an animated film. Now let's turn this into an actual moving scene. This is where Hailuo stands out. It supports advanced video models like Hailuo Do 2, first last frame control, Hailuo Point 3, and even integrations like Sora or Veo. Let's animate our fight scene. Prompt: fast-paced combat motion, dynamic camera movement, impact effects, slow motion hit moment, cinematic action sequence, smooth animation. Now it's not just an image, it's a full action sequence. Visuals are only half the experience. Let's try something completely different, a product showcase. Prompt: a luxury smartwatch on a reflective surface, dramatic studio lighting, premium product photography, ultra-realistic 4K detail. Prompt: slow rotating product shot, smooth camera movement, glossy reflections, cinematic commercial style. Prompt: clean tech, sound design, subtle ambient music, premium brand feel. Now you've got a full commercial-ready video. So this is the actual pipeline: idea, image enhancement, video, sound. And instead of jumping between tools, you're doing everything inside one ecosystem. That's the real advantage here. This isn't just another AI tool. Hailuo is basically a creative hub that brings together top image models, advanced video generation, and production-level sound design, all optimized for creators. Whether you're making YouTube content, ads, short films, or social media videos, this workflow just makes sense. And here's the interesting part. With the Hailuo Max membership, you unlock higher quality outputs, faster generation, premium tools, and full access to advanced models. It's positioned as an exclusive offer, and honestly, there aren't many platforms right now, locally or globally, offering this kind of all-in-one setup at this level. At the end of the day, this isn't just about generating content. It's about controlling the entire creative process, from idea to final cinematic output. Join our membership today and unlock exclusive benefits, premium content, and special member-only features designed to enhance your experience. Seedent's 2-point price blowout is now live with up to 65% off for a limited time. And if you want the ultimate AI creation experience, the Max plan is the top choice, featuring 20,000 monthly credits plus unlimited access to Hailuo 2.0 and 2.3 models, along with other premium creative tools. And that's where Hailuo really stands out.